This is Julian Shapiro, and he's going to tell us about the human body.
First, in the inside of the human body, there is about the waist in the renal tube. And then
Wait. Come on. Say that again.
There's the renal tube and the capillary.
The renal tube and the capillary. That's great. Can you bring that paper if you're drawing here? What a drawing. That's beautiful.
The renal tube.
Renal tube. Is that your...
Capillary.
And capillary. Is that your...
Waste goes into the renal tube.
Waste?
And nutrients go into the capillary.
Fantastic. That's a great drawing. That's your handwriting too? Very good.
And this renal tube connects the kidney to the bladder.
The kidney to the bladder, right. Very good. Excellent.
Next, there is about the heart.
Oh, wow. What a beautiful drawing. Let's see the heart. Oh,
the heart.
That's the one on the left side. Beautiful.
The heart has 4 inner chambers. It had four parts.
4 chambers, right. Wow. That's beautiful.
And it has the right and left ventricle and the right and left atrium.
Right, exactly. Exactly. What a drawing. Oh my God. And wow, and what's the blue? What's the blue one? And what's the difference between the blue color and the red color?
The red ones carry oxygen. The blue ones carry carbon dioxide that go to the lungs.
Wow. Wow.
And the oxygen go to the body.
Very good, Julian.
The pump pumps twice.
The heart. That's
the heart pumps twice.
Right. I see.
And the heart also has in the male and female heart. The male's is bigger than the female's.
Is it? Uh-huh.
And during exercise, heart is 40 times faster than the resting output.
Oh, yeah? Wow. Wow. Oh, can you turn that around again? I want to see that. So this is the heart from the outside, right? This is the inside view. Here's the outside view. Oh, well, cool. And some nice blood vessels around it you drew? That's very nice. And what's that? Is that diaphragm? Nice. Beautifully done. Okay, excellent. So we now know something about the heart, and we've done the kidney, the renal tube, waste, and nutrients.
And
next is
the brain.
The brain.
These are a couple of parts of the brain.
I see.
Inside it. This is the hearing center.
A hearing center.
This is the thinking center.
Uh-huh.
I don't know what this is.
Oh, the thinking center. That's the one that does math, huh? Yeah.
What's this one?
Oh, that looks like feelings, emotions, maybe. Happy and sad.
And this is remembering center.
Remembering.
And this is the heart and lung center.
Uh-huh.
I don't know what this is.
You copied this from a book, right?
No, from the iPad.
From the iPad,
and
okay.
then there's this center.
Uh-huh.
I don't know what this center is either.
Why does it say bacteria?
It says bacteria because there's many maybe the spelling thing.
Oh, I see. Spelling center. I see. Could
Maybe
be
it has to do with
language
spelling.
or something. Oh, interesting. Okay, great. Now.
No.
Oh, that's a close-up of the hearing center.
Outside. The outside of the brain.
Ah.
This is the seeing center. I don't know what this center is.
Uh-huh.
And this is the hearing center.
Uh-huh.
That's more on the outside.
Very cool, Julian.
This is some little center that I don't know either.
That's very cool.
Oh, this is the talking center.
Uh-huh. Very cool.
Seeing. And this, the heart and lung center on the outside.
Very nice. Now let's go to
the optic nerve in the eye.
The optic nerve in the eye. Very good. Very nicely done. Okay, what's your next drawing?
This is next.
Wow. Great drawing, Julian. Can you tell us about it?
the human body, the blood vessels. This is the white things are white blood cells. These are bacteria.
Oh.
White blood cells kill them. Then there's some purple things that we call platelets.
Very good. Wow. And the red ones are
and there's red blood cells.
Red blood cells, right. And those are the ones that carry the oxygen, right?
Then there's carbon dioxide.
Oh, wow.
Oh.
And there's your skeleton.
I draw this a little bit.
Very nice, Julian. Very, very nice. Now, this one looks similar. Is this also the bloodstream that you drew?
Yeah, this is about bloodstream too.
Wow. What's happening there? I love the colors.
I remember I drew this. I remember when I drew this.
That's gorgeous. What's this in the small intestine? Can you tell us what's going on there? What are those yellow things? The yellow lines.
What yellow lines?
These here. And what are these purple ones?
The purple things are where they let the nutrients into the bloodstream.
What's that called? What are those things called that let the nutrients in the bloodstream?
Villi.
Villi, exactly.
There's a lymphatic system, blue, and that connects to the red.
And the red is the blood system, the circulatory system?
And they're part of the circulatory. And
Right.
then there's these bacteria and nutrients. White blood cells kill bacteria, kill and digest the pathogen.
Pathogen, right.
And
You gotta look at the camera.
And the bacteria eat the food. But white blood cells kill it.
But there's some good bacteria too in the stomach, right?
This is in the small intestine.
Oh, right. So maybe it's all bad bacteria then. Is that what you're saying? I see.
There's a little bit of good bacteria.
Oh, those are the good ones. That other color.
No, they're not good bacteria. They're still nutrients.
Oh, they're nutrients. Okay. Very nice job, Julian. Okay, excellent. And what's happening in this picture you did?
In here, we
Uh-huh.
have the stomach.
Oh, wait. Okay, that's the stomach.
And we have the liver.
Liver.
Inside the liver.
Uh-huh. Yeah.
And we also have about bacteria eating.
Where's that? Okay, yeah.
Or this is bacteria. This is how it eats.
Uh-huh.
It finds food and then it pulls it into it.
Uh-huh.
And this is heart.
Okay.
And this is about carbon dioxide and oxygen and and the CO2 and the O2 comes out.
Very nice.
It's
Gas exchange.
Yeah, gas exchange at the alveoli.
At the alveoli, exactly. Exactly. Great job.
Next, we have this one.
Wow, what a complicated drawing. That's amazing.
This is the blood vessel. And then
Can you put that down so we can dig close?
This is the blood vessel.
Uh-huh.
And inside the blood stream. And inside red blood cells.
I see.
And this is bone.
Hold on, there's the bone. I see, and those are nerves in the bone,
This is inside the bone.
Aha, bone, it's like...
Contact bone.
Aha. Excellent.
And there's also digestive
system, okay.
There's a digestive
And I see you have the
system.
heart here.
And we have a close-up look of this heart.
Uh-huh, wow, that's a great
and
drawing.
we have some breathing.
Uh-huh.
And we have
Is this
bronchi and bronchial.
So hold on a
and
second.
we have alveoli.
Oh, okay, let's see.
And we have small intestine. And we have villi and these.
Wow, you've got it all here. So let's see, this is the lung, right? There's the lung. And what's
breathing.
this here?
This is about breathing.
And so that's a close-up? Okay, that's filling with oxygen. I see. And so then this arrow points down to... This is what?
You know what this one is?
What's that?
This is about gas exchange.
Oh, that's the gas exchange. Okay, excellent.
And there's this one. Bronchi and bronchial.
Bronchi and bronchial. Very
And
good.
this is how it is. this is about no exercise. When you're not doing exercise, these green things make it come back down.
I see.
During exercise, this comes up.
Oh, okay. Very, very good. Hey, Julian, can you tell us a little bit, can you tell us from the beginning about the digestive system? Tell us how it all starts.
It starts in the mouth, where saliva comes from the salivary glands. And the teeth chew,
Mm-hmm.
the small food into something called a bolus.
A bolus, right.
To a small mass called a bolus.
A small mass called a bolus.
During swallowing time,
Swallowing time.
the tongue rises to the top
Uh-huh.
and comes down, and it rises up and then comes down. Then the epiglottis closes off the trachea.
Very good. Uh-huh, uh-huh.
Then it pushes it down the esophagus.
Down the esophagus, very good.
Push up the glaze, move the bolus.
Wait a minute,
down
can you say what kind of waves again? Say that again.
Peristaltis.
Very good.
Peristaltic
Very good.
Peristaltic waves move the bolus down the esophagus and into the stomach.
Very good.
The botanical breakdown of the food, peristaltic waves continue.
Aha.
And for the caloric venture into the duodenum of the small intestine.
Very good. Uh-huh.
And then it comes into the small intestine, ileum and jejunum. Then it comes into the large intestine. There's little holes called raisins.
Uh-huh. And what?
And they suck up all the water.
Look at the camera.
And inside the small intestine, there's a wall called peristalsis. One peristaltic wave could move a bolus down the esophagus and into the stomach.
Uh-huh.
And in the small intestine, the villi sucks up the food into the bloodstream and into the lymphatic system.
And into the lymphatic system. Okay, good. Very good. And then when you kind of went back to the beginning there, but what happens when it gets to the large intestine? After the nutrients are...
After a large intestine and when all the raisins are gone, it goes in the rectum into the anus and put the porous snapper.
Into what?
Out of the porous snapper.
Uh-huh.
Then it comes out of the body.
Aha, very good. But what happens in the large intestine again? What happens? Can you tell us what goes on there again?
It sucks up all the water into the raisins.
Okay.
It does something with it.
Aha. And then what's left is just the waste product, right?
And it comes into the kidneys.
Right. Very good.
It comes up into the kidneys.
Mm-hmm.
And then the kidneys. And then it comes down into the bladder. Then, as the bladder fills up,
Mm-hmm.
it interactions with the brain and nerves.
Mm-hmm.
And then when you need to do not much, it's just half full. But when you need to go much, it's full.
Mm-hmm.
Then it pushed down. It gets squeezed and pushed down the urethra,
Mm-hmm.
and it goes out of the body.
Very good. Very good. That's great. Wow, you've covered the whole process. That's great, Julian. Excellent. Very, very impressive. Is there anything else you want to tell us about any other system? What are the other systems? So we've talked...
And there's the heart.
And that's part of the circulatory system,
and
right?
The heart pumps the blood. Carbon dioxide comes into the heart to pump into the lungs.
Mhm.
Gas exchange.
Mm-hmm.
And into the pulmonary trunk.
Mm-hmm.
And oxygen. The oxygen one comes into your body.
Mm-hmm.
The heart pumps it. It comes into the body. The heart pumps twice.
Mm-hmm.
The males is bigger than the females. Males is bigger than the females.
Mm-hmm.
is cardiac muscle. And digestive system is another kind of muscle.
Different kind of muscle.
And then there's skeletal muscle. That's the normal muscles.
All right. Now, do you know anything about the liver? What can you tell us about the function of the liver?
The liver has many blood vessels in it. Cleans the blood.
Right. Very good.
The liver is very complicated.
Yeah, it sure is. They say it has over 500 functions.
It has over 500 things.
That's right.
That's over 500 things.
Very good. But we know one of those things is to clean the blood. Very good.
It cleans blood.
Excellent.
Inside the liver.
Do you remember anything else it does?
Gallbladder, and if something goes down the gallbladder, it will reach the. If water comes into the gallbladder, the gallbladder will fill up and push it into the small intestine.
Oh. Very good. What other systems do we know about? So you've talked about the respiratory system a bit, the digestive system, lymphatic
There's
system.
the adrenal glands, and there's the thyroid.
All right. That's right.
That make up the immune system.
Do you have a drawing of the thyroid there?
And there's
Did you draw the thyroid?
right there.
Oh, I see. You've got it all.
And behind the large intestine, there's a big thing called the kidneys.
Very good. Very good. Very good. Oh, you did a beautiful drawing of the kidneys someplace else. We'll have to find that. Very good, Julian. Amazing. Amazing. Do you know anything about the nervous system?
I did not draw that.
I know you didn't. You drew that at someplace else, I think. Well, let's see. You drew little things. These are supposed to be nerves, right?
No.
These things, are they supposed to be?
No, they're blood vessels.
Oh, just blood vessels. Okay. Okay. Let's see.
Inside the bone, there's cardiac bone, and there's cardiac bone, and there's also a lot of blood vessels, and it comes through the yellow part of the bone.
Aha.
That's the center part.
Very interesting.
Inside it.
Very
Inside
interesting.
it is where the blood vessels meet together and goes into a straight line. Lines up in a straight line.
Excellent. Excellent, excellent. Well, Julia, this was a very interesting talk that you gave. You could continue this later. I think this was a good introduction to human anatomy. Very, very good. Yay, Professor Julian Shapiro! Want to say goodbye?